If you are looking to become a notary public and loan signing agent in the state of Arizona, we're so glad you found us. Make sure to check out the description below this video for a step-by-step guide and more information to help you along your way. The basic requirements to become an Arizona notary public is you must be 18 years of age, a legal resident of the state, be able to read and write English, and soon you'll have to pass a state exam based on the Arizona Notary Public Handbook. In preparation for the state exam, you will want to download the Arizona Notary Public Reference Manual, which will be linked below in this video. You'll want to read it cover to cover and try memorizing it because you're going to be using it often. Once you feel like you're ready to take your state exam, complete the online web-based application at www.azsos.gov. You'll need a $25 application fee plus an $18 filing fee. Print and sign your application. You'll need to obtain a $5,000 bond, and don't forget to check the descriptions below as we have companies that you may be able to use. Submit your application, bond, and fee to the Secretary of State via snail mail, and ensure your printed application matches the signature on the application and bond. It's very important that these signatures look very similar to each other. There will be a 4 to 6 weeks processing time. Once the Secretary of State's offices are open again, if you're close enough, you may be able to walk your application in to speed up processing times. If your notary application is accepted, the notarial commission will be sent by mail to the address on the application and sent via email to the email on the application. If you are intending on becoming a loan signing agent as well, you should begin training immediately during your processing time. Your commission certificate will need to be presented to your stamp maker when ordering your seal. We do recommend purchasing your first stamp through the National Notary Association. You will also need to purchase Arizona emissions insurance. We also recommend you purchase this from the National Notary Association. And if you're intending on becoming a loan signing agent, you'll need to purchase at least $100,000 to $500,000 of Arizona emissions insurance coverage. You will also need to purchase a notary journal and ink pads for thumbprints. See our recommendations for products in the description below this video. All loan signing agents must take the National Notary Association's background check and certified signing agent exam, as it's required by nearly every title agency in the country. This test will not prepare you to be ready to start signing loans immediately unless you have prior experience. However, there are many training companies you may wish to invest in to learn how to properly conduct loan signings. Notary Stars offers over 150 hours of page-by-page loan signing agent training on every loan product under the sun. We offer live training Monday through Friday and phone support no matter who you're working with. In comparison to many of the loan signing agent courses available, you can get 20 months of Notary Stars for real-time membership in comparison with many courses that cost over $500 for just a few hours of training. As you grow, you will definitely want to invest in additional training courses in order to beef up your resume because our industry is highly competitive. Other courses you may wish to take are state trainings by Laura Beware or Coach Me Laura. Notary to Pro is one of our favorites at Notary Stars, and Bill Soroka's Sign and Thrive. These are all great courses for beginners because they are led by successful industry experts. There is a little more to unpack, like setting up your office and listings, but don't worry. Visit the link below in the description of this video for our Notary Public and Loan Signing Agent Success Map. Becoming a notary public and a loan signing agent can be a little overwhelming at first. We are available and we are here to help. Check us out at notarystars.com/membership_information.